Remember Jarvis from the Iron Man movies? He was Tony Stark's genius AI assistant. Jarvis could control everything, answer any question, and even crack jokes. Wouldn't it be amazing to have your own Jarvis? Well, guess what? You can actually build something pretty close. In this guide, we're going to build a voice-controlled AI assistant. It will listen to your commands and respond just like Jarvis. We'll use some really cool technology from OpenAI and 11 Labs. Get ready to dive into the world of artificial intelligence and create your own personalized Jarvis. This is going to be a fun project. We'll break it down step by step. You'll be amazed at what you can create. Let's get started. Before we start building, let's understand how our Jarvis will work. We'll be using a few key components. First, we need a way to capture your voice commands. Your computer's microphone will do the trick. It will pick up your voice and convert it into a digital format. Next, we'll use a process called speech-to-text to convert your spoken words into written text. This text is what our AI will understand. The heart of our Jarvis is OpenAI's ChatGPT. This powerful language model will process the text and generate responses. It's like having a super smart chatbot at your command. To give our Jarvis a voice, we'll use 11 Labs. This awesome platform can generate incredibly realistic synthetic speech. We can even choose different voices and accents. Finally, we need to send the generated speech back to your speakers. That way you can hear Jarvis responding to your commands. Now that you understand the basic components, let's gather the tools we need to build our Jarvis. To build our Jarvis, we'll need a few essential tools. Don't worry, they're all easily accessible and mostly free to use. First, you'll need Python installed on your computer. Python is a popular programming language known for its readability and a vast library of tools for various tasks, including AI and voice processing. Next, we'll use a couple of Python libraries specifically designed for capturing audio and working with microphones. Libraries like PyAudio or speech recognition are excellent choices for this task. To interact with OpenAI's ChatGPT, we'll need their API key. This key acts as your authentication to access and utilize their powerful language model. For the voice generation part, we'll sign up for an account with 11 Labs. They have a user-friendly platform and offer various voice options to choose from. Lastly, a code editor will be our digital workshop. Popular choices include Visual Studio Code, Atom, or even simple text editors like Notepad++. Choose the one you're most comfortable with. Now that we have our toolkit ready, let's set up our development environment and start writing some code. Before we begin coding, we need to set up our development environment. This involves installing the necessary libraries and getting everything ready for our project. First, head over to the Python website and download the latest version compatible with your operating system. Follow the installation instructions provided. Next, we need to install the required Python libraries. Open your command prompt or terminal and type pip install PyAudio OpenAI 11 Labs. This command will automatically download and install these libraries. For OpenAI, you'll need to create an account and obtain an API key from their website. Keep this key safe. We'll use it later to connect to their language model. Similarly, create an account with 11 Labs and explore their website. They have excellent documentation and various voice options to choose from. Lastly, open your preferred code editor and create a new Python file. This file will hold our code for the Jarvis project. With our development environment set up, we're ready to start writing the code for our voice assistant. Section 5. Coding the core functionality. Now comes the exciting part, coding our Jarvis. We'll start by writing the core functions to capture audio, transcribe it to text, send it to ChatGPT, generate a response, and convert it to speech. First, let's import the necessary libraries into our Python file. Python import speech _recognition as SR import OpenAI import 11 Labs. Next, we'll define a function to capture audio from your microphone, Python def capture _audio, with sr.microphone. As source, try print, you said text, except this function uses the speech recognition library to listen to your microphone, transcribe the speech, and return the transcribed text. Now let's write a function to send the transcribed text to ChatGPT and get a response. Python def get ChatGPT response text, response =OpenAI.ChatCompletion.create. This function takes your transcribed text, sends it to ChatGPT using the OpenAI API, and returns ChatGPT's response. Finally, let's create a function to convert the ChatGPT response into speech using 11 Labs Python def speak text text. This function takes the text response, sends it to 11 Labs to generate speech audio, and then plays the audio through your speakers. We now have the core functions to capture audio, transcribe it, get a ChatGPT response, and convert it to speech. Let's put them together in the next section. Section 6. Creating a continuous conversation loop. With our core functions ready, we can now create a loop to enable a continuous conversation with our Jarvis. This loop will capture your commands, process them, and respond accordingly. Here's how the loop will look. Python while true. This code snippet initiates an infinite loop using while true. Inside the loop, it first captures your audio using the capture_audio function. If you say exit, the loop breaks, and the program ends. Otherwise, it sends your command to ChatGPT and speaks the response. This loop allows you to have a back-and-forth conversation with your Jarvis. You can ask it questions, give it commands, or have it tell you jokes. The possibilities are endless. Now you have a fully functional voice AI assistant. But we can make it even better with some additional features. Section 7. Adding advanced features. We can enhance our Jarvis by adding some cool features. Let's start by implementing a wake word. A wake word is a keyword that activates your assistant, just like Hey Siri or OK Google. To add a wake word, we can modify our loop to continuously listen for the wake word before capturing the actual command Python, while true wake_word_ detected = false, while not wake_word_ detected, user_input = capture_audio. If Jarvis in user_input, wake_word_ detected = true response = get chat gap response, user input, replace, Jarvis, print, Jarvis response, speak text response. This modified loop listens for the wake word Jarvis. Once detected, it captures the following audio as the command, removes Jarvis from the text, and proceeds with the usual process. Another helpful feature is saving conversations to a log file. This can be useful for reviewing past interactions or debugging. We can add a simple file writing operation after each response. Python with open, conversation log, text, A as log_file, log file, write fu, user input n, log file, write fjarvis, response nn. This code snippet appends each interaction to a file named conversation_log.txt, making it easy to review later. These are just two examples of the many enhancements you can add. Feel free to get creative and explore other possibilities. Section 8. Enhancing your AI assistant's personality. One of the coolest things about building your own AI assistant is the ability to customize its personality. You can make it sound friendly, professional, humorous, or anything in between. ElevenLabs offers a wide range of voices with different accents, genders, and tones. Experiment with different voices to find the perfect one for your Jarvis. You can even adjust the speech rate and pitch to fine-tune its personality. Furthermore, you can tailor ChatGPT's responses by providing specific prompts or instructions. For example, you can tell it, respond as if you were a witty sidekick, or use a formal tone when addressing me. By playing with these parameters, you can create a truly unique and engaging personality for your AI assistant. Remember, the more you customize your assistant, the more personal and enjoyable the experience will be. Section 9. Conclusion: the future of personalized AI. Building your own Jarvis is an incredible journey into the world of artificial intelligence. It allows you to experience firsthand the power of technologies like OpenAI and ElevenLabs. As AI technology continues to evolve, the possibilities for personalized AI assistants are limitless. Imagine having an AI that can manage your schedule, control your smart home devices, provide personalized recommendations, and even learn your preferences over time. The future of AI is about making technology more human-centered and accessible. By building your own Jarvis, you're not just coding an assistant, you're shaping the future of how we interact with technology. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI, experiment with the code, and build your own Jarvis. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. Share your creations, explore new ideas, and let's build the future of personalized AI together.